What is the ENA Front-End Auxiliary Drive Kit? The Front-End Auxiliary Drive, or FEAD system, powers many engine and safety-critical vehicle functions. The first FEAD systems were simply designed to drive the alternator. Over time, more and more features have been added. Now it is a key system without which no modern car could function. Today, the FEAD system faces much greater demands. Firstly, from the ever larger alternators needed to cover increasing vehicle power requirements, and secondly, because of engine downsizing, which increases load upon the entire system. As a result of these extra demands, vehicle manufacturers have now started to introduce definitive change intervals. The FEAD kit from ENA sets a new standard for auxiliary drive system repairs. An ENA FEAD kit includes the auxiliary belt, tensioner and deflection pulleys, ancillary parts and fitting instructions. Depending on the application, a kit can also include an overrunning alternator pulley, a torsion vibration damper, or even a water pump. As a development partner to vehicle manufacturers, as well as an aftermarket expert, our kit provides you with exactly the right components needed to carry out a professional repair on a specific vehicle. There can be no more mix-ups between different kits for the same application. All of this is available in our renowned OE quality because ENA is the market leader in FEAD system components.